Hi everybody, I'm Craftsman Steve and you're back with Family Craftsman. I'm here with my little apprentice, Thomas. Hi Thomas. So, what is one of the most important things that you think need to happen in a shop every day? You don't know? Gotta keep it clean. You like to clean things. He loves to clean. One of his favorite things to do is vacuum. If only all kids could do that. Anyways, so if you guys remember in the last episode, I used the hand planer and I made a lot of sawdust. Can you help me clean it up? Yeah, you like that? It's kind of like snow, huh? Isn't that cool? Okay, so we're going to clean it up. Do you think you can handle that? Alright, I'll hold this and you can sweep it up in here and I want to talk to you about something. Okay? So do you know why you're home from school this week? Yeah, why are you home from school? Because? Is it because there's sickness going around? No. Well, that's why most of the country is closed down right now. That's why most kids aren't going to school, is because people are getting sick. So while we're cleaning this, it's kind of why we always wash our hands all the time now. You should wash your hands all the time anyways. But it's why we wash our hands so much. Does that make sense? It's kind of like in the shop, where we do this so that it keeps away the mold and the dust and bugs. Well, that's why at home, then before and after we go out, we wash our hands. We maybe put gloves on sometimes. And I know it can be a little scary, but it's just precautionary. And precautionary means that we do it so that we don't get sick. And we don't get other people sick. So, yeah. Oh, Tank? Yeah. Tank is our dog. He's out here. Here, I'm going to go throw this way. You know what? I'm going to use this box. Put the sawdust in so I don't have to walk all the way over to the trash can. Alright, let's keep sweeping. Alright? So do you like tools? Yeah, do you like being out here with Daddy in the shop? Mm-hmm. So this is a fun thing you can do at home. You're home for a couple weeks, got nothing really to do, there's always those projects around the house. Get your kids involved. Teach them how to use tools. Teach them how to do things as simple as cleaning the workbench. I mean, it doesn't seem like a lot, but these memories, these little things like this will teach them as they grow up how to do the right thing every time. They think they're just cleaning a workbench, but really it's memories. Alright, you're doing a good job, buddy. Yeah, are you a master cleaner? Yeah? Alright, let me help you out with this. Because we want to start using a tool, right? You want to learn how to use a tool? Yeah, alright. We're going to use a tool. Here, that's good. We're going to make some more sawdust. So, we'll just move some of this aside for now. And let's get one of Daddy's favorite tools. You want to learn how to use a palm sander? Okay, so that is called a palm sander. And it's a little tool, it's a fun tool, and it's a pretty safe tool to use. Great one to learn on. It's one of the things that Daddy learned how to use when I was about your age. Yeah, well, it was not quite as nice as the ones they have these days, but I don't want to age myself. So, you want to learn how to use this? First thing you need to learn is we never touch the button until we're ready to use it, right? Okay, then you go ahead and look on the back side, on the bottom here. What is that? Okay, this is a Velcro pad, and this is what we put the sandpaper on. Do you know what sandpaper is? Yeah, you've seen me do this. Okay, so here we have some 120 grit. Do you know what the grit means? What does the grit mean? This? Oh no, this is a palm sander. So, grit, when they're talking about grit, you're going to have the lower the number, so like I have some that's 40 grit. And that means that the little rocks that are on here, the little sand in the sandpaper, are really big and coarse, and it's made for taking off a lot of material really fast. The 120 grit is about the middle range, which means it's coarse enough you don't want to drag it against your skin, but it's not overly coarse. So this is one of my favorite, and we're going to use this one today. Is that okay? All right. So if you'll see, there's these little holes, little holes, and there's little holes on the sandpaper. You're going to line up those little holes. They don't have to be perfect. Just like that, So, it's not ready yet. You got to plug it in. But first, let's get a piece of wood. You want me to go get a piece of wood for you? Okay, let's pick a piece of wood. What do you think? Should we pick... I got a good piece of wood because I got a buddy of mine who works at the mill, wants me to do something for him. Wants a project made, so let's help him. How about that? Oh, this is a big piece of wood. Okay, so, do you know what kind of wood this is? What kind of wood is that? Oh, it's called alder. Alder's very good wood, and it grows a lot here in Oregon and Washington and the Pacific Northwest. So, let's go ahead and plug this in. Remember, don't touch that button, because if you do, watch what happens. Let's turn it on. Now, this is going to be kind of funny. Kind of runs away from you, huh? A little scary. It's okay, you don't got to be scared. Let's make sure it's turned off. And plug it back in. Now, I'm going to hold it so that you can feel it's going to vibrate a lot, okay? Ready? Funny, huh? Okay, are you ready? You think you can handle this? Okay. You know what I'm going to do is I'm going to clamp this down with some simple bench clips, just so it doesn't run away from you. How about that? I know, wood running away? You don't want the wood to run away. Okay, you ready? All right, I'll help you out here. Here we go. Yeah. And all you do is apply a little bit of pressure. It takes a rough surface and makes it a little smoother. What do you think? Feel that? Is that getting better? That's nice and smooth? Yeah, I mean, these are still rough, but we're going to use a bigger grit to do that, and I'll do that later, okay? But what do you think? That's kind of fun, huh? But feel this side, and then feel this side. Here, feel it. It's kind of rough, huh? Now feel this side. Is that smooth? That's what a sander does. It takes off all those little burrs and all those little splinters and gives you a nice, smooth surface to use. Makes it look better, right? That's right. All right, let's finish this. Thank you all for joining us this week, and I'll see you next time. And I'll have a different apprentice with me, because I have a lot of apprentices, huh? Yeah. So, until next time, be creative, keep learning. All right, come on, let's get back to it.